Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another unboxing. Today we have the EnviroKlenz Smart Air System. They sent this to me for free to review, so thank you to EnviroKlenz. So let's go ahead and get started. So right off the bat, we have some very nice packaging. We got our user manual. Looks like a little accessory guide here. And just about their auto refill program. Some nice foam packaging. Alright, so here it is, the big unit itself. And there's nothing else in the box. Alright, so here's the unit itself. We have our power on indicator, our off, wisp air, low, medium, and high. Then our power cable. Alright, so as you can see, I took the front panel off. It's very easy to take off and put it back on. It just slides in, and there you go. So we'll take that off. After we take that off, we reveal our air cartridge. Let's get this out of the package here. Looks very nice and clean, very well packaged. Looks very nice and clean packaged. So we'll go ahead and just set that aside for now. Next we have the large hospital grade filter, HEPA filter. So let's go ahead and get this out of the package. As you can see, it's very nicely put together. Look how thick this thing is. It's huge. But very nice, very well put together. On the inside we have our big motor. Look at that thing, it's huge. So let's go ahead and get this thing put together and set up. So first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put this into the unit. And we'll slide it in just like so. Next we have our air cartridge. We'll slide that in there as well. And there we go. It's ready to go. So let's go ahead and get this plugged in and see how loud it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and plug this in. Might help if I take off the cover here. Alright, so as you can see, the power LED lit up. So let's go ahead and turn on to the low setting here. Okay, let's turn on to low. Let's turn on to medium. and to high. Alright, so I have it on high. I'm not sure if you can hear how loud it is on camera, but right here it's blowing air up. And then on the sides here, you can kind of feel it sucking air in. Same with the other side. So let's go ahead and turn it off. And now I want to show you the motor inside. Take out our air filter here and our other filter. As you can see, it's still spinning, so it's still shutting down. So let's give it just a second here to finish fully shutting down. Alright, now let's turn it on wisp air. Nothing. Okay, let's turn it on low. Let's turn it on medium. And high. So I'm not sure if you're able to hear how loud it is on camera, but I thought I'd conclude this little shot here just so you could see the motor in action. So now what we'll do is we'll replace the filter here. And our air system. One thing to note here, on the filter itself, it actually shows you which way to put the filter in. And then we will put this back on. And that is the EnviroKlenz Clean Air System. Next I'm going to show you what all comes in the box. First, we have the user manual that comes in the box. Just kind of tells you a little bit about the unit, best practices, cleaning and whatnot. So as you can see, step 1 is the air intake, step 2 is the EnviroKlenz Air Cartridge, step 3 is the HEPA filter, and then number 4 is the clean air outtake. And then here's some instructions on how to install and service. So here's step 1. Here's step 2. Here's step 3. And step 4. Here's step 5. And step 6. So here's some of the different settings. Wisp air, average 1 to 2 air exchanges per hour. 85 CFM, great for situations that require minimum noise such as sleeping and watching TV. Low, average 2 to 3 air exchanges per hour, 150 CFM. Ideal for everyday maintenance use when a VOC or chemical source is not overly present or noticeable. Medium, average 3 to 4 exchanges per hour, 200 CFM. Ideal for most situations in which the VOC or chemical source is noticeable but overbearing, such as cooking odors or outdoor pesticide use. And high, average 4 to 5 air exchanges per hour, 250 CFM, very high impact setting, ideal for the most critical environments that need immediate and effective removal of VOCs and or chemicals. This includes newly applied paint, renovation, construction, fire damage, and flood damage. And then here is some troubleshooting tips, if you guys want to pause the video and read all those. And a little bit about the warranty. So that's the user manual. for the mobile air system. So next they include kind of a quick start guide, stuff like that. So if we open this up, they have an auto refill program, which you get 20% off all replacement parts. Here's the prices for the air cartridge. If we had the UVC bulb version, the HEPA filter, and then some reviews. And here's the back. It just says thank you for your purchase of an EnviroKlenz mobile air system. And it says to acclimate the system to your environment, please install the air filters and run the system on wisp air or low speed setting for the first 24 to 48 hours of operation. And then here's their contact information in case you have any issues with the unit itself. So there's their phone number and customer service email. So once again, thank you to EnviroKlenz for sending this over for me to review. This is just the unboxing and kind of quick overview. I'm going to be doing an in-depth review of the unit in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think down below about the unit. Thank you so much for watching.